Manjinder Singh Sirsa wadai Presiden ka Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee. Ulaong bakat kum ka hukum jong ka High Court ka sarkar kamla ban suweng jubor ya kibreu na themator ne na sweeper koloni wala ki dai basyong bean. Henry ka kashari kala batha ka sarkar ban mudui da ka civil suit bat unong bishar udai ban sngap ya boro arliang bat hadian kata unsa penmi ya ka hukum. Kekenduan ki jaj ben riu Sikh mandagasngi kalai kendo ya ulat ka jela Meghalaya usap tiapal Malik ban persya e kejing tumu bat ya garai jong sarkar Meghalaya ban penkernya no ya borok kibriu ki basa athemator kabadan hayo maulong habakren bat kilat pathai khobor usirsa ulaong ba ha kejing kendo bat ulat kilapan iru ya ki kot kisla bakidan nak benta katai kejaka bat kumju ya ko hukum jong High Court of Meghalaya kabakren shai watla kibriu ki syong bian ha katai kejaka omla ban suweng jubor ya ki ulai itu banang kaliang ulat kejela ula kular ba kanum dan kajingweng jubor ya kibriu ki basa athemator Henry on ya baik kat kum ka an da ka babuat ru ya ka hukum balapan mi da ka High Court hagawai kaliang sirsa ula kenok ru ba sarkar jela kampat jua peleu jingmut bat kibriu ki basa athemator bat kumnu kan surai ba katai kejaka kadai jong ka sarkar bat kan kam hakilat pathai kubor ban penkernya no ya kibriu na katai kejaka tang hapo stayo hagabaula kenok ru ba karai belasim da kenuhun menteri kalong bean namar kelapen ken ya ka hukum jong ka kashari unong yalam kisik balawan na Delhi uloong bagi beriu badan hathemator kim kwa ban mi nak tai kejaka bat benrap balada dan kanu ka saskular ka sarkar kala dewan yakran lang bat kibriu nak tai kejaka haswa ban rai bahap ban penkenria kenang bagi beriu katai kejaka kin syong perkhat lang bat sim ya karai ula keno bahadu menta ka sarkar kampat khwat yakran bat kibriu nak tai kejaka.
The Honorable Governor Shri Satyapal Malik ji. This was regarding the forceful eviction and the order passed by the Cabinet of Meghalaya under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya Shri Konark Sangma ji. That was that Punjabi Basti will be evicted within 1 week, and they in their press briefing as they have briefed that they had a tri-party agreement with the CM of Millennium, and for that purposes now this land will be evicted. We met today the Honorable Governor side, and we have produced our documents, the title of this property and also the court order from the Honorable Court, High Court of Meghalaya, which clearly states that even if these people are illegally occupying this land, they cannot be evicted forcefully or without the due process of law. The court has also established the formation, how to evict them. They said the government should move to the civil suit and file a civil suit, and the civil judge should hear both the parties and pass an appropriate order. So for even if they are illegally occupying this place, for that purpose also the government has to file a civil suit before the civil magistrate, and then the order for eviction can be passed. But this cannot be forcefully, as the CM of Millennium have already in 2008 has stated that this property was allotted to the Harijan Basti Panchayat. And now how can they sign a tri-part agreement saying that we have reclaimed this land? There is no provision in the law. And we also humbly request to the people of Meghalaya and to the government of Meghalaya that the Sikhs here are living in a micro minority, and they shouldn't be evicted without due process of law. And we assure our people also that nothing on this earth can evict them forcefully. Nothing. There is a law, there is a stated law in this country, and we'll follow a law. And I think the government should also follow this law, and there is no reason that government should forcefully evict them. Then that has to all to be a mutually, it can't be forcefully. Had government or high level committee ever had a discussion with them? No. Then how can they simply decide the property belongs to me? If this property is, I got a right on this property, how can a government sitting in office and can decide that okay, we want to relocate you? Then that also had to be mutually, either mutually or by the way of law, they can move to the court and tell them. But this can't be as simply that government has passed a cabinet order and Chief Minister is briefing the media and saying कि हम इनको एक हफ्ते में खाली करा लेंगे. This is not fair.
गवर्नमेंट बना ना, ये इशू जब से चल रहा है, कभी भी हाई लेवल कमेटी ने हम लोगों को बुलाया ही नहीं. और ये सीएम साहब ने जो लास्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोला था कि हम लोगों ने पूरा अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया है कि वो आके अपना बयान दें, मतलब अपना पक्ष रखें। एक भी लेटर हमारे पास कोई इशू नहीं किया, अगर इशू किया गया है तो वो ऑफिस में है और बताए कि कब इशू किया और किसने रिसीव किया उसको।
Already spoken to the Chief Minister, and Honorable Governor Sahib has assured us that they will not be evicted forcefully. A due process of law, and especially the order of Honorable High Court, will be followed. With every inch, every word of this order will be followed. And as per this order, they cannot, because it's a clear status quo. And even the Honorable Court has said that nothing can be said against them and can be done against them. I think even the press briefing and the cabinet meeting is also illegal. That is also a contempt of the court, what the meeting has been called for, because there is no such provision to evict them. And this is shocking also. The ministry, the government is not giving them either the report copy, the HLC report, what was that report, neither they are sharing the tripart agreement which they have made with the CM of Millennium. They are not sharing with them. Then what make them, what is the purpose that they don't want to share with them? Why they are hiding? There is something fishy. That is the reason they are hiding.
रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं सीएम साहब से कि जो ऑर्डर हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है उसको फॉलो किया जाए और जो स्टेटस को लगा है उसको मेंटेन किया जाए और इस तरह से कोई भी कार्रवाई ना किया जाए जिससे ये पता चले कि मतलब ये कार्रवाई हमारे खिलाफ़ हो रहा है और हमारे लोगों के बीच में डर हो और कोई ना कोई किसी भी तरह का कोई घटना हो सकता है। इतना जिस तरह से सीएम साहब स्टेटमेंट देते हैं ये बिल्कुल गलत है। कम्युनिटी जो माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी है उसके खिलाफ है पूरा। सो जो हम लोगों ने अभी जो दिल्ली सिख गुरुद्वारा मैनेजमेंट कमेटी के प्रेसिडेंट साहब ने जो मेमोरेंडम दिया है और गवर्नर साहब ने जो एश्योरेंस दिया है कि मतलब कोई भी ऐसा कार्रवाई नहीं किया जाएगा जिससे कि हम लोगों को नुकसान हो, जो भी होगा एज पर लॉ होगा और